I'm Ernie Rea and I'm the owner and founder of Vantage Windows and Doors. I decided to run the business the way I thought it should be run. Most window companies, they send a salesman out to the house. He can be in the house for 4 or 5 hours. They want deposits up front. They use subcontractor fit teams. They give no written quotes. It's usually just a verbal contract. And they don't have showrooms. So the process we do, which is different in the way people see why we've been so successful, I'll go out to the house, it's a quick visit. But we then try and encourage the customer to come to our showroom so that we can show them the full product range. When you see things in real life, you can really check the quality of the product. People come to us because they've done a lot of research. Over 1,000 5-star reviews, never had a bad review. We've got 5 out of 5 stars for every single review in which. 300 and something reviews in Checker Trade, everyone's 10 out of 10. 5 consecutive years we won Scotland's best window and door company at the Scottish Home Improvement Awards. The biggest award though we've ever won is everyone knows who Which is. They pick one company that they think is the best for the whole of the UK through all trades. And in 2023, we won it. They named us #1 home improvement company in the UK. We'll come up against the big national companies. They're double the price we are for the same thing. But if you check their reviews and you check, what customers say about them, we're miles ahead of them. Because we've got the best product you can get, we've got the best fitters you can get, we have the best materials. It's all about the way we deal with our customers, basically, which sets us aside from pretty much everyone else in the industry.